Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Cricket West Indies has called upon batting legends Sir Clive Lloyd, Sir Vivian Richards and Brian Lara to help dissect their humiliating 3-0 series whitewash to Australia, which culminated in one of the most spectacular collapses in cricket history. Chasing 204 for victory in the third and final test, the West Indies were bowled out for just 27 runs on Monday's third day to record the second lowest total in test history after New Zealand's 26 against England in 1955. This has prompted Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow to summon an emergency meeting of the Cricket Strategy and Officiating Committee, enlisting 3 of the Caribbean's greatest batters to give their thoughts on the embarrassing defeat in Kingston. The trio, who plundered a combined 27,967 test runs in their careers, will join former players Shivnaran Chandapal, Desmond Haynes and Ian Bradshaw, who already serve on the committee. Former Reggae Boy defender and captain Linval Rudy Dixon says he would like the current JFF administration to show past players a bit more appreciation and have them on board to help support the Reggae Boys in their bid to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Dixon noted that in the past, the JFF and former players had a different relationship and that they were always invited to games whenever the national team played at the National Stadium.
I don't know, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's still happening, but I don't think, they are helping us or asking us or even to call and say that you want to go to the match or invite us to the game.
And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.